Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing 10-second challenge. So how that works is Alina's sitting right at the back, she's the host.
Hi guys.
So she's gonna ask us questions and within 10 seconds we have to क्या कहते हैं उसको सवाल पांच अगर किसी city का नाम पूछेगी she's gonna ask us
whoever
like
says
five
the
cities in
most in
Pakistan
10 seconds wins gets
yeah,
the point innit?
yeah gets the point. So let's see who wins and good luck to you, bro.
May the best man win.
Start off a bit good.
Go on.
Alright, round one, let's go.
Okay. How many legs does a spider have?
Six.
Six.
I said that before.
Said that first, yeah. He said that.
Yeah. Hussein got it. Okay, what's here?
Anyway, it's a rapid fire, isn't it?
Describe your best friend in 3 words, and you both have the same best friend. Go on.
Funny.
Amazing, funny, amazing humor,
I can't.
amazing humor, a sexy guy.
That's enough, bro.
Yeah, that's enough.
Hussein, you had no words.
I'm like,
Four.
You had no words. That is so bad. What kind of friend are you?
I would.
Do you know what? The next video should be with him.
Yeah, we will.
Or do we never have I ever with him, yeah.
Okay. Make 5 animal sounds. Go.
Woof woof.
Moo!
Nah, I got that, man.
I got that. I did a monkey.
What is this last one?
A bird.
क्या की तूने? What did you do? Nah,
Nah, so that some animal does that, man.
Alina, मैंने किया बंदर का. I did chicken. I did a cow. I did a monkey.
I allowed that,
Got
man.
it.
4, man. 4.
Yeah, I didn't got it. Okay. What is the world's poisonous spider?
Tarantula.
Black Widow.
There you
What
go,
the hell?
Hussein got it.
क्या?
I think it's Black Widow. I don't know.
I think it is Black Widow.
Well, she's like.
नहीं तो अगर tarantula हुआ तो.
I remember the song.
Which one?
I'm a black
Not all of
widow,
them are poisonous.
baby.
Have you not heard that song, bro?
Which
I
one?
have actually. Actually, don't sing the song. Don't.
Oh, I just said one lyric.
Okay, that's
right
fine.
Mm. Name 5 Pakistani places. Go.
Islamabad, Karachi, Multan, Sargodha, Chiniot. Why we get to a man?
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah,
Places,
I was still
cities.
counting. I was Islamabad, Karachi, Lahore.
Yes.
Voila. Name 5 Marvel movies.
Spider-Man,
Hulk, Iron Man,
Hulk,
Captain America.
Captain America, and
और केड़ा बंदा है यार? Superman. That's DC. Allah.
Black Panther. There we go. I
Okay,
got
I don't know
that.
if you said Hulk twice. I think.
I
you
said I
did.
Hulk twice, but I made up of them a Black Panther in it, I think.
Did you get them all then?
I think so. Watch the
2-1.
video back in it and see.
Will.
2-1.
We'll see that one, okay?
Stop moving, man.
Here this comes again. Name 4 plays written by Shakespeare.
Romeo and Juliet,
Romeo and
Midsummer's
Juliet,
Night
Macbeth,
Dream,
Midsummer's Night
Macbeth,
Through. Miles and मैंने किसका था? Or was that just a film?
Yeah, what's that
Was
one?
that just a film?
I think it's a Russell.
Beatrice and what's that one called?
That's the one, bro.
No, that's
Isn't that one the one?
वो भी फिल्म ही थी, शेक्सपियर का नहीं था.
Benedict and Beatrice.
Benedict and Beatrice.
No.
I don't
Yeah,
know
I
if it
got
was
that,
his.
man.
Oh, okay.
उसी का था.
Yeah,
That's the
it.
one I meant, you know, because we just watched it once in high
Yeah.
school. Okay, Hussein got
that
the most.
one,
You got
come on.
Hussein got 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was
Game
after
of
the time.
Manhunt, okay.
Hussein's got 2. I've got 2 now.
We got more questions.
I don't know. We can just count afterwards.
more
On
than-
it.
Yeah, we'll count later on then, because I've lost the count now.
Babu Rao from Hera Peri famous dialogues.
ये बाबरा का स्टाइल है.
Name as many.
बाबरा का स्टाइल है. एचा माइला.
And that- I don't even know.
रख. Yeah.
Well, time.
वो जब उसको फोन करता है, ये गाइस इधर क्या नई मछली फ्राई मस्त करके खा गया. Yeah, I remember that class film.
Nah, man, I don't know, man.
What is the name of lead male and female character in Titanic?
Rose and Jack. Jack and Rose. Is it?
I didn't even try.
Is it? Yeah.
Wow.
You still got a point.
3-2.
Man, you're not winning.
I don't know what the score is. I'm not even gonna say anymore.
Yeah, don't say the score. Let's just go with the flow and we'll see.
Okay. Name 5 fizzy drinks. Go.
Fanta, Coca-Cola,
Fanta,
Iron
Coca-Cola,
Brew,
Iron Man,
Rio,
Iron Brew. What the hell? Rio.
Rubicon. I got it.
You got it. Okay.
Yo, I'm lacking, you know, slacking.
Name 5 animals in Urdu. Go.
बंदर
खरगोश
मछली
बंदर
खरगोश
केड़ी मछली दो बंदर खरगोश
कुत्ता
बंदर
बिल्ली
कुत्ता
I got that.
We just seen at a really strong
Well,
eye contact.
I'm like, the loudest person wins. I'm telling you, man, because then you don't.
You know I'm gonna be loud now.
You got like shout it because you don't want the other person's like. Most of the things. Go on.
Name 4 Pakistani sweet foods. Go.
Sweet food
Gulab jamun,
barfi jalebi
rasmalai,
kalakand gajrela done
Sarin got it.
yeah
Name 5 of Atif Aslam's songs.
dil diyan galla o sathi kuch is tarah
I'm just copying you this way.
tere sang yara
Oh, Sati.
do I even need to try now
Yeah.
yeah.
I couldn't think of any.
selfish done
Selfish is that guy?
That's his,
Yeah.
man. That's Salman's.
Atif bhai ne gaya
Really?
Atif bhai ne gaya likha Salman bhai ne yeah
I thought you sang it as well.
Okay. Name all the Kardashian sisters. Go.
Kourtney, Kim, Kylie, Kendall.
Oh, yeah.
Kourtney Kim
Who got it first?
hum dono ne kaya
You
Alright.
both were synced.
yeah
Alright.
so does that point for both of us yeah
Yeah.
okay
Alright, let's go.
Name 5 Pakistani dramas. Go.
झूठी प्यारे अफजल मनमायर सबके तुम्हारे और उदारी done
I said that first, bro.
but you got 4 here मेरा 5th वाला था so I got it
Bhai. Alright, we'll have to look
Mine
back.
is like on.
I'm telling you, loudest person wins, man. It's
Okay,
really
okay.
loud.
Alina, I got this
Alright, okay, we'll.
Everyone's gonna love this one. Sing Tahir Shah's song.
अल्लाह माफ करे और उस बंदे ने हमें कॉपीराइट कर दी कितनी बेइज्जती की बात है
नहीं करो भाई करो।
नहीं
क्या मतलब बेइज्जती की बात है इतना अच्छा सिंगर है
अच्छा he's good but like I can't be asked getting copyrighted by that guy
It'll be a privilege, bro. It will be a privilege.
तू गा मैं नहीं गा रहा
Alright, go on.
point ले ले go point ले जा ले खा go on sing it
You want to?
Go on, do it.
Okay, good. Sing Tahir Shah's song for 10 seconds. Go.
10 seconds में copyright वैसे पड़ जाता है भाई.
पड़ जाता है exactly
जान-
God, I'm 6 seconds रह गए. 5.
I too.
I'm not singing.
Oh, यार मैं भी नहीं गा रहा.
Okay. Who is the Duchess of Sussex? How do you say it?
Sussex.
There you go.
Kate yeah
Middleton.
Kate Middleton yeah और कौन
The Queen. Queen Elizabeth.
I don't know हमसे कैसे expect कर रही
No,
है
जब मैंने search किया था, it said Meghan Markle.
Meghan I was
The only
कसम I was about to say
You didn't say it,
The
man.
only
Shut up,
person
man.
who came up was her.
जैसे
I was
तूने बड़ा
expecting
कह
it.
दिया so no point for both of
No
us
point with both of us.
yeah go on so we're done with the questions now thank you for watching I hope you liked it we will be making more fun videos like this and
Thanks for watching, guys.
thank you for watching
Have a good day. Bye.
see ya bye
Bye.
bye
Bye.
bye अच्छा बस
Bye.
बस
Bye.